Welcome to the Nevis Newscast for Monday, August the 19th, 2019. I'm Donis Wilkinson Keynes. Premier and Minister of Tourism, the Honorable Mark Brantley, hopes a gesture made by the Nevis Island Administration to assist Four Seasons employees affected by the resort's temporary closure will be beneficial to them and ease some of the pressure that they have been under. In a statement made on Sunday, August 18th, Premier Brantley noted that despite his government's best efforts, many of the affected workers have suffered over the past few months from a reduction in their normal levels of income.
We are also aware that at this time many are faced with the challenge of back-to-school expenses to ensure that their children get their books and uniforms and other requirements for when schools reopen in September. To this end, on June 26, 2019, the Cabinet of the Nevis Island Administration convened to consider whether the government could offer any additional relief to affected Four Seasons workers to assist them with the expected back-to-school expenses. I am pleased to report that after some deliberations and under the guidance of the Ministry of Finance, the Cabinet took the decision to offer each of the affected Four Seasons workers a cash payment of $1,000 to assist in defraying back-to-school expenses for their children. I am therefore pleased to advise that all 361 workers affected by the closure of the Four Seasons who have been receiving the 25% salary from the hotel will be paid $1,000.
Premier Brantley, who is also the Minister of Finance, explained that checks have been prepared by the Treasury Department and the workers are invited to the St. Paul's Anglican Church Hall between the hours of 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. on Wednesday, August 21st to collect them.
Staff from the Ministry of Finance and the Treasury will be on hand to assist you in ensuring that you receive this payment. I wish the workers God's continued blessings and pray that He will continue to watch over them and indeed over us all.
The employees of Four Seasons Resort Nevis are expected to return to work on September 16th to make preparations for the resort's reopening on October 1st, 2019. St. Kitts and Nevis has returned a national pass rate of 80.37% for the May-June 2019 Caribbean Secondary Education Certificate CSEC examinations. That is according to Federal Minister of Education, the Honorable Sean Richards, who made the announcement at a press conference on Thursday, August 15th at the Ocean Terrace Inn on St. Kitts. 5,339 subjects were written by 1,661 candidates from educational institutions and private centers across the Federation, including the 3 secondary schools in Nevis.
Charlestown Secondary School, 466 out of 561. Gingerland Secondary School, 295 out of 333. Nevis International Secondary School, 44 out of 53. This year's top CSEC performer, based on the preliminary results with no criteria applied, is Prakriti Dutta of the Nevis International Secondary School with 8 grade 1s and 1 grade 3.
The national pass rate for the Caribbean Advanced Proficiency Examinations CAPE is 84.98%.
Acceptable grades returned are as follows. Clarence Fitzroy Bryant College, Arts, Sciences and General Education Division, 1,069 out of 1,257. Nevis Sixth Form College, 499 out of 583. This year's top CAPE performers, based on the preliminary results with no criteria applied, are as follows. Tikoya Warner of the CFBC, 5 grade 1s and 1 grade 2. Tarana Kacker of the Nevis Sixth Form College, 5 grade 1s. Kizwana Proctor of the Clarence Fitzroy Bryant College, 5 grade 1s. Congratulations to all 3 students.
496 candidates from institutions including CFBC Adult and Continuing Education, private centers, and Her Majesty's Prison sat 1,944 subjects. Today, a number of first responders began receiving training in the Pan American Health Organization PAHO Mass Casualty Management System. Speaking during this morning's opening of the workshop, Medical Officer of Health Dr. Judy Nisbet noted that the training is designed to build the capacity of all agencies responding to mass casualty incidents.
This activity, though organized by the Ministry of Health in collaboration with the Pan American Health Organization PAHO, is not solely a training for health personnel. As we scan the room, we see other agencies such as police, fire and rescue, non-governmental organizations such as the Red Cross, and other volunteers who will also be involved in this training. This is strategic, and it underscores the fact that mass casualty management does not only require a health response, but a multi-sectoral approach and response.
As explained by Dr. Nisbet, PAHO's mass casualty management system was developed for island states, which are small, at risk for isolation in disaster situations, and have limited financial, human, or material resources.
So we have only one hospital with only one operating theater, limited skilled personnel, limited emergency response resources, such as ambulances, and limited supplies. We therefore appreciate we have to maximize existing resources and manpower to successfully manage any mass casualty event. I guarantee you will enjoy this course, having passed through it myself, even as you build your capacity. You will be exposed to a mixture of lectures, discussions, and practical sessions. You will learn things such as triaging in mass casualty incidents, coordinating transfer of patients to hospital, learn about the impact of disasters, management of stress, radio communications, just to name a few of the topics that you will be covering.
Dr. Nisbet also commended the Ministry of Health for supporting the workshop, as well as Peter Burgess, Emergency Response Facilitator for the Pan American Health Organization.
When I conduct training, I am very stern and I'm very serious about it because I have seen the benefits of having a mass casualty response. And just this morning and over the weekend, another small plane went down somewhere in the US in a house, killing the occupant, pilot, and injuring a number of people. We've been having a lot of shootings in different islands. We've had fires, and we have quite a bit of motor vehicle accidents. Up to Saturday, we finished up a course over in St. Kitts, and I was saying to the participants, we can prepare, we can train, but when a mass casualty hits, it is what do we do?
By the end of the workshop, which will run for 6 days, each agency is expected to understand its role and the unified response, sharpen its response skills, and effectively manage its human and other resources when responding to a mass casualty incident. Still to come, police force vehicle fleet bolstered with the addition of 12 new vehicles. The details after this break.
At a loss as to what's going on in Nevis? Tune into NNC on NTV. Don't worry if you don't have cable either. NNC will bring the news to you wherever you are. Facebook and Facebook Live. YouTube and YouTube Live. NevisTVOnline.com. Roku app, NTV mobile app, Smart TV, Apple TV, and any other IPTV platforms. When me ANC and you ANC, NNC.
Welcome back. The Republic of China Taiwan continues to invest in the Federation of St. Kitts and Nevis with the August 14th signing of a Memorandum of Understanding MOU on Human Resources Development. The MOU was signed by the Honorable Sean Richards, Minister of Education, and His Excellency Tom Lee, Resident Ambassador of the Republic of China Taiwan to St. Kitts and Nevis. Under this agreement, the government of the Republic of China Taiwan shall provide an annual budget of up to $120,000 depending on the needs of the development programs of the Federation of St. Kitts and Nevis for initiatives such as student scholarships, teacher training, high school agricultural vocational training, and other areas of training. Resident Ambassador Lee said a total of 170 students received the assistance last year, and this year, with this new MOU, the Republic of China Taiwan will provide more funding to help more students. A communique from the Embassy of the Republic of China Taiwan in St. Kitts and Nevis states that in order to deepen cordial relations between both countries and to strengthen the mutually beneficial cooperation in the area of human resource development, as well as to assist the Federation in laying the foundation for its national development by nurturing professionals at the grassroots level, the governments of the Republic of China Taiwan and St. Kitts and Nevis have agreed to extend the program from 2019 to 2023. St. Kitts and Nevis and Taiwan have enjoyed 36 fruitful years of relations since 1983 when they established diplomatic relations. Meantime, the vehicular fleet of the Royal St. Christopher and Nevis Police Force has been boosted with the addition of 12 new vehicles thanks to a donation from the government of the Republic of China Taiwan. The vehicles were handed over to the government of St. Kitts and Nevis on Thursday, August 15th by Taiwan's resident ambassador to St. Kitts and Nevis, His Excellency Tom Lee, during a ceremony held at the Police Training School at St. Kitts. Ambassador Lee, while delivering remarks, stated that his government remains committed to assisting the government of St. Kitts and Nevis in achieving its goal of becoming the safest small island state in the world. Acting Commissioner of Police Hilroy Brandy noted that the 12 new vehicles will significantly enhance the nationwide response of the police force, its traffic management capabilities, and increase its community patrols. Prime Minister and Minister of National Security, the Honorable Dr. Timothy Harris, expressed his profound gratitude to the government and people of the Republic of China Taiwan for its continued support to the Twin Island Federation. He also commended the resident ambassador of the Republic of China Taiwan for spearheading the bilateral cooperation and ensuring that the Royal St. Christopher and Nevis Police Force stands stronger in terms of resources. The government of the Republic of China Taiwan has also agreed to provide spare parts for the new vehicles free of cost for a 2-year period. That's it for this edition of the Nevis Newscast. On behalf of all of us here at the Department of Information, thank you for viewing.